go with another Zippo lighter for the collection. The NFL. I like the box on this. Very cool. 29152 NFL 50th Super Bowl Limited. And here you go. It's got the NFL logo up top, and it's actually numbered here on the side, 1684 of 1750. I'm a huge football fan, Cowboys fan actually. Hopefully they make it to Super Bowl this year. This is a J of 15, and it has, yeah, J of 15. Looks like the Armor logo. Not sure if it's Armor or not. I don't think it is. Well, I'm not sure. But here it is, Super Bowl 50. It's got a cool design. You can see in the light there. I like it. I'm happy. Another one for the collection. NFL. Well done. I'll be sure I'll be picking up any future ones they have. And there you have it. 29152 NFL 50th Super Bowl Limited. Cool. Thank you.